Hi, I'm V. Hayward. I'm an Ecoscenographer, which means I design sets and costumes for theatre productions, exploring stories visually in a way that minimises negative environmental impact and promotes ecological thinking and processes. This is one of my model boxes made during my Masters in Theatre and Performance Design at Wimbledon College of Arts. Models like these are made by designers as tools to communicate their designs to the cast and crew of a show. This particular model box is of the Royal Shakespeare Company's Swan Theatre in Stratford-upon-Avon. It was made at 1:50 scale, which means that everything is 50 times smaller than it would be if this design were made for a real show on a stage. This design is for an imagined play inspired by a novel set in 1900s England, predominantly in World War II London, in which a character relives their life over and over again. Her memories stack up and leave impressions on her future lives, allowing her to navigate new paths each time. To reflect these layered memories within the set, each element is designed such that it remains on stage at all times, but can be moved or altered during the production to create each unique space. The staircase in particular defines places that are visited, and the white drape serves to hide or reveal the rubble at the back of the stage at different points in the story. Consequently, these set pieces gather memory and meaning as the show progresses. Adding to the themes of meaning and memories, the main characters' costumes, each one used for a different life, also form part of the set, suspended in the flies within sight above the audience throughout the show. When needed, a costume piece is lowered and put on, lived in, and then returned to the flies from where the next costume descends. As such, when the audience arrive, they can in some sense see the whole story in front of them. However, each costume only gains meaning as it is worn, and only afterwards serves as a memory of that life. One reason that this story drew my attention was its similarity to the way that I naturally work, and how I hope theatre can work. As you can see, my model box is made from corrugated card, which is in fact from an old box, and everything in it is also constructed from scraps of paper, wire, card and packaging. These materials are all found and collected, so live a new life through this design just as the character in the show lives a new life after each previous one ends. Similarly, my designs themselves are inspired by and built on existing set pieces owned or hireable by each theatre I design for. This requires a level of collaboration with the materials, working with what they offer, but it also inspires creativity for incorporating the quirks that such pieces often come with. This way of working allows these reused elements to live again in new forms and to be fed back into the theatre ecosystem for future use as well.